To understand the true benefit of the total fiduciary solution, we must first understand how most retirement plans are currently being managed. This infographic illustrates that perfectly. On the outside, we have the traditional, what we call basic plan services, your record keeping and custody, plan investments, employee education, and some of the do-it-yourself resources that are typically provided in most of the pre-packaged programs offered by the insurance and investment companies. Now, while these service providers are performing a lot of functions, the responsibility and the liability to protect the plan and its participants from outside fiduciary hazards, as well as maintaining supervision and oversight of the plan service providers, falls squarely on the laps of the employer, which is represented by the green area in this diagram.